we are going to study. Today we are going to study digestion. Digestion is takes place in a digestive system. What is the definition of digestion? Digestion means what? Non-diffusible food get converted into the diffusible food, or insoluble food converted to soluble food. Now here the digestion, this slide indicates that this is a digestive system. Digestive system is made up of two parts, alimentary canal and its associated glands. Alimentary canal is start from mouth, end due to anus. Now it shows, this slide shows the mouth, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, intestine, there is a small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Specific type of food is digested in a specific type of region, or specific type of food is digested in a specific type of enzyme. Enzyme which play important role in the digestion. Enzymes that are secreted from digestive glands. So in mouth, here it shows the salivary glands are there. It secretes saliva. Then stomach, it secretes gastric juice. Then intestinal glands are there which secrete fluid. Then pancreas, which secrete pancreatic juice, and liver, it secrete bile substance. Now these substances or these juices play important role in digestion. Specific type of food is digested in a specific type of region. Example, carbohydrates half digested in a mouth cavity and half they are digested in the intestine. Proteins are digested in a stomach and half proteins digested in the intestine. So next slide. Next slide shows the breakdown of these food molecules, and these food molecules get absorbed in the intestine. Person food, just food in intestine, liver and metabolism that will take place. Nutrition of the stomach. Now it's of food. This is gas juice. Juice made up of and milk. Now, two types of cells. One cell, that is the fetal cell, oxyntic cell, which is secrete HCl, and mucous cell secrete this mucus. Combination of this HCl and mucus, that is called as the gastric juice. Now pepsin in presence, they convert pepsin, and pepsin which are proteins. This gets converted into the proteases and peptones. The HCl play important role in the digestion because in stomach, digestion is acidic medium. So they change this medium acidic. And proteins are digested in acidic medium. That is the pepsinogen is the inactive form actually. And pepsinogen gets converted into active form, that is pepsin. And then pepsin will be act on food material, that is a protein. So next slide. Part that we shows the different regions of the digestive system, the digestion that will take place. Now here, mouth, the carbohydrates digestion takes place means in presence of the amylase enzyme. So carbohydrates, that is the polysaccharide, example starch, get converted into the disaccharide. Starch converted into sucrose, maltose, lactose in presence of salivary amylase. And then this food material that comes to stomach, no any action of carbohydrates in stomach region, then it goes to intestine. In the intestine, sucrose get converted into glucose plus fructose in presence of supraenzyme or inverted enzyme. Then in intestine, maltose is converted into this glucose plus glucose in presence of maltase enzyme. And then lactose gets converted into glucose galactose in presence of lactase. So this can time with the help of the pancreatic juice that comes from pancreas. And then proteins, they are digested in a stomach and intestine. In intestine, proteoses and get converted polypeptide in presence of these peptidases and proteases. Now this polypeptide also get converted into dipeptide or amino in the amino peptidases and carboxyl peptidases. Then lipids, pancreatic juice contain the lipase enzyme. Intestinal juice also convert into the these textures in intestine bile that will comes from liver and pancreatic juice comes from the pancreas and they change the medium acidic to the alkaline medium. So some of the hormones, gastrointestinal hormones which act on this secretion. Example, CCK hormone, cholecytokinin. The cholecytokinin is stimulates the liver and to secrete the bile. This is the CCK. Then pancreatic hormone. Pancreatic hormone the secretion to secretion of the body. Then people food, intestine. Food is released to the intestine. Then intestine, which goes layers. There is the mucosa, outer layer is the serosa. Mucosa layer contains villi, and villi are responsible to absorption of the soluble food. This total food gets in intestine. This example in carbohydrates, glucose, fructose, galactose is formed. Then proteins, amino acids, or fatty acids are all formed. Next, slide please. Now lipids, that is the triglycerides, phospholipids, then steroids and fat soluble vitamins. Actually, bile salts, there are two types of bile salts are there, bilirubin and biliverdin pigments and sodium glycocholate, sodium tyrocholate, these are the bile salts. Now they are the fatty acids and glycerol to form the then chylomicron enter the bloodstream. Actually, next slide. Next slide. Fatty acid action. But to emulsification fats absorbed in intestine with the help of this fatty acid and glycerol gets separated. So here the cells are responsible for two reabsorption and then it goes to the blood and blood to the directly cells. This in liver which play important role to storage of food material. Glucose material is in the form of glycogen. Fatty acids, they are also stored in the form of triglycerides. Now here the cell which shows the storage of the in the fat droplet in the form of fat droplet. Next slide. Which then act as a port to remove the toxic material that is responsible for that liver. Next, next slide. Now this is the amino acid transport. Amino acids, they are also transported through the intestine. Then here the villi, they are responsible for the transportation of amino acids. Means from small intestine, then here it shows the villi, uh, more, that is the with the help of the diffusion process. More concentrated of the solute gets transferred to the low concentration by the simple diffusion process. These amino acids get absorbed in the villi and the villi to the liver, and in liver they are also converted into the some of get converted into the metabolism. Amino acid metabolism is expressed in the liver. Next slide. Electrolyte absorption. Now here the most of these ions, they are actually absorbed along the length of the small intestine. Total here large intestine, they are responsible for also absorption of the minerals. Now here uh, their absorption of glucose and amino acids. Then uh, ionic form transport, that is anions passively follow the electrical potential. So potassium diffuses across the intestinal mucosa is responsible for the osmotic gradient. Calcium also gets absorbed through in the blood. It is also regulated by the vitamin D and PTH, parathyroid hormone. That is a secreted from parathyroid. Next, right. So this is the water and ions. Their osmosis play important role to transport the so means more the simple to lower concentration, and it is completely reversed to the water. Water can move in either direction across the wall of the small intestine, which depends upon the osmotic gradient. Magnesium. These are the actively transported by the simple diffusion process. Intestine, they play important role to this absorption. Next, next slide. Now this is about this intestine. Mucus provides the protection. This parasympathetic stimulation. Parasympathetic stimulation is in our body. There are two systems are present, which control both sympathetic and parasympathetic system. These are the types of the autonomous nervous system. One that will inhibit the secretion, and one stimulate the secretion. It is completely opposite way. Then this pumps bacteria will be produced the acid, and which following remove the acid at line time. Exchange of bicarbonate ions that will take place through the wall of the intestine. Then bacterial action produces the gases from particular type of the carbohydrate found in the leguminous as well as the artificial sugar, uh, like the sorbitol. Bacteria produce vitamin K, which is then absorbed. Then feces, which consists water, undigested food material. Example, the cellulose. Since in our body, cellulose enzyme is not secreted. Therefore, no digestion of cellulose. Therefore, it is a cellulose is a undigested material.